A gardener planted saplings in such a way that every row had as many saplings as in every column. If in all there were 729 trees, how many saplings were there in each row? Now, if each row had X saplings, each column will also have X saplings. And therefore, in total, we can say X into X, that is X square total saplings were there. Now it is given to us that there were in total 729 saplings or 729 trees. So therefore we can equate x square is equal to 729. Now if we take square root on both sides, we will get x is equal to 27. It is the square root of 729. So that's our answer.